Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is a channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, so today, in today's video, I thought I would talk to you about my favorite home decor finds for 2024. So I have seen lots of people talk about their favorite home decor finds, and I'm thinking, you know what? I have some favorite home decor finds too. So yeah, let me share those with you today. So last year, you guys know that I started redoing little mini refreshes around my home. I've talked to you guys about it a few times. So we started in my kitchen. So when I first decided to do over my kitchen, this is how it looked, and I will put up that photo here. It was sort of a farmhouse style. It had the word eat down one wall. It had live, love, laugh above the cabinets. And then I had a sign above the refrigerator that said kitchen. I like that sign, so that sign didn't go anywhere. But I did decide to change other things in my kitchen. So one of the first things I decided to do was to paint out my countertops. My countertops, you know, they weren't great. They were just builder grade. What do they call those countertops? I forget what they're called. They're just cheap builder grade counters. So they were like a speckled grayish light gray color, and I didn't like that anymore. So I decided to get some countertop paint and brighten them up a little bit. So I showed you guys that in a video last year. We brightened up the countertops. We got a new island from IKEA. It was around $200, and we got new globes, which I've shown you also from IKEA, with a mirrored finish. They were $30 a piece, so $150 total. So we did a little mini kitchen refresh for around $500 last year, and those are the favorite things in my kitchen that I love for 2024. The countertop paint was very inexpensive. I picked it up from Amazon. You can pick it up probably from Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, any of your home improvement stores. And guys, I will tell you, it has held up really, really well. Once you get that clear coat finish down and you let it cure, oh my gosh, it looks so, so nice. When I had people here for my Christmas party, they were like, oh my gosh, what did you do? What, you remodeled? I'm like, no, I just did a little mini kitchen refresh, but they thought I did a whole complete remodel of my kitchen. That's how transformative making a few simple changes can be in your home. I also bought new chairs for the island in white with the stainless steel base. You guys know silver is a finish that is coming back into style for 2025. It started last year as well. And so I found these chairs that are very modern and luxurious that I also got for my kitchen. I picked them up from Amazon. Very budget friendly. I want to say they were, how much were those? I want to say around $200, $250, something like that. But I will leave those linked down below. Anything I mentioned that came from Amazon, I will have it linked in my Amazon storefront, which you can shop 24/7. And when you do, I do get a small commission. So thank you so much in advance for that. So those chairs are one of my favorites. Absolutely love them. I love the island top from IKEA. I love the globes from IKEA. It just transformed my whole kitchen and gave it a whole new look. Very high-end, in my opinion, and modern looking, but a very budget affordable price. So if you like what I've done with my kitchen, Make sure you subscribe if you have not already done so, because we are going to be doing other little mini refreshes around my home this year. So one of the other things that I did was I switched up my loft space. We talked about that as well. One of the first things I did was paint an accent wall up there in black, and I absolutely love the way it looked. It made my white fireplace pop. I was so happy with that. So then I decided, what else can I do to make the space pop, to make it seem more elevated and luxurious than it really is? And I'm thinking mirrors, of course. So I found these really nice, giant, oversized mirrors with a geometric pattern from Amazon. I think they were around $300 total. And I had my boyfriend hang them up for me, and they look so perfect. Again, giving me that high-low luxe feel that I love to create in my home. As you guys know, sometimes I splurge on things, and sometimes I'm budget friendly with things. I love to thrift things, but I also will spend a little money from time to time. So I did spend some money on those mirrors, but I think they look absolutely perfect in the space. Then I decided, okay, I want to do something else here. What can I do? So then I found this couch from Walmart. It was a black vinyl or a faux leather look with a channel detail on the back. Very high-end looking, yet very budget friendly. I want to say the couch was like $350. It is a really structured couch, but I'm thinking because you do a lot of sitting on your couch, you want it to be structured. You want to have those little indentations where you've sat on the couch, and I don't like that. So I like a firmer seat in my couch. So this couch was perfect. I absolutely love the way it looks in the space. And then to go along with that, I'm thinking, what else can I change? So I decided to get a new coffee table. That's one of the other things that I absolutely love for 2024. This coffee table also came from Amazon. It is glass and it has a silver finish as well. I absolutely love it. I think it looks perfect in the space. Because my loft space is small, I also have a black rug up there. Black and white are my signature colors. And the rug is black, but it has like a white border detail. And I thought the perfect thing that would accent the space is a glass table to open it up, because before I had a black coffee table there. So when I put the coffee table in the space, oh my gosh, guys, it looks so high-end, so luxe. I absolutely love it. It goes perfect in the space with everything else that is there. And then I'm thinking, what else can I change in the space? And previously, I tried to use all of the old furniture that I had in our old house. But in our old house, the loft space was a lot bigger. I mean, it was so big, guys. I wish we'd never left that house. Really, we wanted to downsize because it's just the two of us. And we did. But then once we got here, I'm thinking maybe this house is just a little bit too small. And I keep telling everybody, I think our house is too small. And they're like, Sheryl, it's just you and Richard. Like, your house is perfect for you. But I think we need just a little bit more space. But anyway, we tried to use that old furniture. And because the loft space was small, it just made it feel cramped and just really didn't flow very well. So previously, we had a large TV that was up against the wall, blocking the window. And every time I would do videos up there, you guys would say, Sheryl, you need to move your TV. You need to move it on the fireplace. So eventually that is what I did. So once I did that, I decided, I think I want to get a credenza or a console table for this space. So that is what I did. I went to Amazon and I found this piece, which I absolutely love. I love that it has it looks like glass, but they're really little plastic screens with a rib detail, but it does look like glass, but it's privacy glass. So I can hide away all my barware and you won't even see it. You might see like the shadow of it, but you don't see all of that. So I absolutely love this piece. I want to say it was around $300 as well, if not a little bit less. You can get things on Amazon. They're always running sales of some sort. So again, everything that I've purchased, I will have it linked in the description box down below so you can go check them out if you're interested. So then I did that, and then I'm thinking, what else can I do to this space? So previously I had some white club chairs in the space, and I like the club chairs, but I'm thinking, you know, I want to change it up. I want to get something different. So when I saw these chairs, I picked them up from Target. They are also a club chair, but they're in a black velvet. And oh my gosh, guys, they are so luxe, so high end. They were from Costway, I believe. Normally they were $600, but I got them both for $300, and I thought that was a very great price. $150 for each chair. Yes, please and thank you. And I think they look absolutely perfect here in the space. So that is how I transformed my loft, and I absolutely love the way it looks. So then I decided, what else can I add to the space? And so I found these really nice pieces of these vases from H&M Home. They are white. I think they look absolutely perfect in the space. So I brought them in. We are going to be styling those in the space really, really soon. Also, I got some lamps. You guys remember those lamps that I picked up from one of our $20 thrift store challenges? They were a brassy color. They came with a black shade. And I told you, oh, I think I might paint them, but I'm not sure. So I went ahead and I put them in my loft space in their natural color. And I used them for a while, but I decided, you know what? I think it's time for a change. So guys, I decided I was going to spray paint those lamps silver, because you know, silver is on trend for this year. So when I started to prep them to spray paint them silver, well, let me just show you what happened. All right, remember these lamps last year that we picked up in one of our $20 thrift store challenges? Well, today we are going to upcycle them. I told you guys I didn't know if I was going to spray paint them or not. I did use them as I found them, but as you can see, they have a lot of imperfections. So I thought, hey, let's spray paint them with this metallic silver, because I am loving silver this year. I think silver is on trend. And we are going to use them in my loft again, but maybe with a different shade. I don't know if I'm going to use the black shade again or switch it out to a white shade so that it pops against our black accent wall. But we're going to go ahead and get these painted, and I'll be right back. Actually, change of plans. So when I started wiping these down to apply the spray paint, this started coming off. So I think what I'm going to do is use this goof off, which is a paint remover, and just take this off, and once we're done we should have already a silver finish and we don't have to spray paint. So yeah, this seems to be working really good, so let's finish it out, shall we? All right guys, now both lamps are finished, and I am glad I did not have to use this spray paint, because this is the finish that was underneath all that gold, and I absolutely love it. I think it'll be perfect in the space, and I think I'm going to try the black lampshades first because I think they will look the best. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So let's just go see how they look in the space, and then we'll do the finials. All right, and here is how the lamps look in the space. I absolutely love them. So I decided to switch out the black lamp with a white lamp. We're going to brighten up the space for spring as it comes in. Again, the lighting's always poor up here. I'm so sorry about that. But look how nice they look paired with our oversized mirrors. So I cannot wait to finish decorating the space with you. But these lamps, and again, they did not come with these shades. These lamp shades are one that I already had, but I absolutely love them, and I think it's perfect for the lamp and the space. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. All right, guys, so those are all of the home decor items that I absolutely love that I purchased for my home in 2024. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you have enjoyed how I took my home decor items and transformed my home, and you want to go on a home transformation journey with me this year, but all on a budget to give your home a high-end luxe look for less, make sure you subscribe because I have plenty of budget luxury, budget-friendly home decorating inspiration coming your way for 2025 you don't want to miss. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite home decor purchase that I showed you from 2025. I liked everything. Absolutely everything. So I hope you did as well. I hope the video has inspired you. If so, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And like I said, if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if we become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. So with that, my friends, I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.
Just like a tattoo.